In this tutorial episode, we are going to dive into the texture replacer for demonstrating how to show material options to clients without using 3D rendering software. Once we land on the texture replacer, we'll see 3 blocks in the left side operating bar. First, we would go with Pro in terms of model selecting, as it will deliver professional and precise results that's suitable for commercial use. So second, you will need to upload a photo of the space. In this case, I'm going to use this living room as an example. After uploading, you can select the area for material swapping. I'm going to select the wall area using the auto selecting tools in the bottom bar, and you can also use the brush to do manual selection. For instance, you can zoom in and you can fine-tune the area around this plant. So next, you will need to upload the texture for swamping. You are free to upload yours or choose from the example library. So we have 5 categories of wall texture here: wood, covering, colors, stone, and finishes. So for this example, I'm going to select this pink striped texture here. And in addition, you would have 2 add-ons to adjust the scale and angle of set textures. You can adjust the texture preview multiple based on the size of the actual size. And you are also free to rotate the pattern to a certain degree based on what you are looking for. So now you click Generate, and you will get the results around 30 seconds. And you get the results. You can click on the results and you will have a bigger preview window for you to see the before and afters. And you can export the results in different formats via this download icon.